Hi guys, welcome to Perfect Lean Body. I have ready for you amazing inner thigh workout. It's gonna be only 5 exercises and you do each exercise for 1 minute. After one round, so after 5 minutes, you will definitely feel your inner thighs, you will tone your glutes, your quads, you will absolutely love it. It also helps with reducing appearance of cellulite. So please like it, share it, subscribe so everybody can work out with us, and let's do it. I'm gonna use the timer. So we do each exercise for 1 minute and everything will be in plie position. So let's go for it. We are ready. So for 1 minute, keep your shoulders back, keep your core tight, your feet are wide apart, and go down and up. Down and up, all the way down, as low as you can, okay, as low as you can, so you feel your inner thigh when you are down. Shoulders back and core is tight. Down, up, down, up, down, up. I do not have my shoes on, so you can do this one with or without shoes, whatever is comfortable for you. Shoulders back, core is tight, and go as low as you can. Down and up, and we have about 20 seconds left. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Perfect, 10 more seconds. And then we move to another exercise. Excellent job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing, perfect. Second exercise, you lift up your heels. So your heels are lifted, your shoulders are back, your core is tight, and you go down and lift, down and lift, down and lift. And 1 minute. It's also hard for your balance. Perfect. So let's go. Down, up, down, up. And as I said, 1 round is only 5 minutes. You try to complete 3 rounds. You can do this one at home or in the gym, in the morning or in the evening, whenever. Perfect. Shoulders back, core is tight. We have still about 15 seconds left. Keep those heels lifted, shoulders back, core is tight. And let's go down and up. And I start to feel my quads, my inner thighs. 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent job. Third exercise. You can relax for a moment. You go down, plie, and lift up the knee. Alternate legs. Lift. So down and knee up. Down, knee up. Down, knee up. Down, knee up. And let's do it for 1 minute. Down, knee up. Down, knee up. And let's go. Let's do this one. Shoulders back, core is tight. We have still about 25 seconds left. And breathe. 15 seconds left. Ten more. Excellent job. Perfect. So, 2 more exercises. Plie down and lift up the heel. Lift up, right heel up, and you do plie up and down. Let's go for it. 1 minute. Shoulders back, core is tight, and go all the way down, as low as you can, so you feel it right over here. And let's go. And breathe. Perfect. 30 seconds left. Twenty seconds left. We are almost done. Perfect. 10 seconds. You can do it. Go all the way down. All the way down. 5 seconds. 3, 2, Last one. Perfect, amazing. Switch, lift up the other heel and go down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up. And let's do this one for 1 minute. Let's go, let's go. Perfect. Excellent job. 40 seconds left. Shoulders back, core is tight. And breathe. And then I give you bonus. Perfect. 20 seconds. Shoulders back, core is tight. And let's go. Down and up, down and up, down, up, down, up. Perfect, amazing. 4, 3, 2, last one. Perfect. Last exercise, this one is bonus. So, go as low as you can, lift up your heels, shoulders back, core is tight and just hold. Go as low as you can and hold it. Hold it. I will be counting up to 20. If you want to, you can do it longer. Let's go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more, and last one. Amazing, my legs are shaking. It's absolutely amazing, amazing workout. You will feel your inner thighs, you will feel your quads to your glutes. So please like it, share it, subscribe, because I have many more workouts, amazing workouts coming. So check it out, and I will see you in my workouts. Bye bye.